How long does guardianship last? I received this question, and as in everything law, it depends. Guardianship in New York takes place across a few different courts for different reasons. And unfortunately, the title guardian is used in all of them, and guardianship. So far and away, the area of practice that I handle the most of in guardianship is Article 81 guardianship. It's when one adult person seeks to be the guardian of another adult person. There is also a guardianship in the Surrogates court, where the primary focus, it's the same, one adult person seeking to be the guardian of another adult person. That's typically a parent seeking to be the guardian of their developmentally disabled child. So when a developmentally disabled child turns 18, if they're still living in the care and under the supervision of a parent, if that parent has to access bank accounts and programs and deal with doctors, well, they need that type of a guardianship in the Surrogates court. And then there's a third type of guardianship that takes place in the family court, where either a family member, a surviving family member, perhaps a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle, or even a family friend can seek to obtain guardianship of a minor child. And that goes until the child is 21. And that's a parental role very similar, with few distinctions, between guardianship of that child and custody. Very similar. It's a guardianship that deals only with the care and custody of a child, taking the child to a doctor, enrolling the child on health insurance, dealing with parent, teacher, guardian meetings at school, right, for the education of the child. That goes till 21. Custody only goes to 18. But if guardianship, you get to 21. So question was, how long does it last? It took me 2 minutes and 25 seconds to get there. Well, in the family court, it ends at 21. In the Surrogates court, in the Supreme Court, the guardianship of an adult person, that can be of an indefinite duration, which means forever, the passing of a person, or it could be for a definite period of time, say a 1-year period. And then each year, the guardian has to renew or make an application or an extension. That's based on the discretion of the judge. Maybe there had been a specific reason to have a guardianship for a fixed duration, and the judge wants to keep track of that case. And there's even a role called a special guardian that has limited purposes. So special guardian to sell a property, or a special guardian to be involved in a divorce, or a special guardian to explore certain programs for the person, or the application for Medicaid, something like that. So if you need to know more about guardianship, reach out. Frank Bruno Law.